Kanagiri Educational Management Program now presents what is science. For class 8, chapter 1, part 1. It is amazing to think of the facilities available today when compared to primitive era. Computers, mobile phones, internet, space shuttles, robotics, hybrid food are results of ideas which are organized in some human brains. Basically, all this invention has been taken place with the right ideas only. They are the people who think differently to observe and understand the nature in a specific way. So, normal thinking person and then scientific thinking person varies from person to person. Those who think differently will definitely have better ideas and they will think in a better way. Let us understand how they think and what they do. As I said earlier, computers, mobile phones, internet, space shuttle, robotics, hybrid food are results of ideas. So because of these ideas, here we have given few pictures. This is about idea. So idea this will be generated based on the ideas they will invent. This is about the space shuttle. This is about robotics. This is hybrid varieties. And then the revolution has been taken in mobile phones, and then lot of communication has been taken place. This is for the reference of the students I have given over here. The science is the conceptual understanding, that is human efforts to understand the better of our history of the natural world works. So we need to know our conceptual understanding, and then we need to have observable physical evidence as the basis of the understanding. And then it is done through observation of natural phenomena or through experiments that tries to simulate natural process under controlled condition. So these pictures will show the thinking process and experimental process. Finally, what I can say is, we can say science is a process of thinking. If you question yourself, then if you have doubts, if you can clarify your doubts, then I think you are having the scientific temperament. Science is an organized study of knowledge which is based on experimentation. Science is a tool for searching truths of nature. Science is the way of exploring. And then you can see in this picture, I think different questions, different ideas. Based on that, I think scientists will have developed different innovations by the way of questioning, and it is being the primary or fundamental step in scientific thinking. We need to be clear our doubts with the teachers without any hesitation. So it is always advisable for the students, don't keep any kind of doubts. You need to clear your doubts with your teachers regarding studies, regarding your subject, regarding your doubts in particular subjects. So sometimes we have questions like, why do leaves fall down from the trees after turning yellow? And we have about 6 questions over here. How do ants identify sweet kept in a tin? Why can't we see stars during daytime? Pickles do not spoil, but sambar gets spoiled soon. Why? How are diseases caused and how to prevent and cure them? Farmers are afraid of unseasonal rains, as we have witnessed this time also, uncontrolled pest, and then how to solve these problems. These are the questions, but we need to have these answers also. For the benefit of the students, I have compiled some information over here. If you find better answer than this, I think it is really something great. So the leaves without chlorophyll, what normally happens during winter? lose support and become weak and pale yellow, and they will not receive food from the plant, and they can easily fall during winter season. As we have seen, most of the trees, I think we witness this phenomena, because if chlorophyll is not there, I think it is very difficult to get the food or water and minerals to the plant, and naturally that leaf will become weak. So this is the phenomena. If you have a better answer, I think that is going to help you out. And then ants usually sense the smell of food using their thin mobile antenna. So we are calling it as a mobile antenna. They communicate with each other using chemical messenger from the known as pheromones. Pheromones. This is the message passed through chemical messenger. They follow each other in a queue to reach towards food. This type of behavior is known as imitation, where ants follow each other activity. Imitation. One does and this other will follow the same thing. So this is known as imitation. And then stars, third one, we are not visible, stars are not visible during the sunlight hours of daylight. Because the light scattering properties of our atmosphere spread sunlight across the sky. Seeing the dim light of the distant star in the blanket of photons from our sun becomes as difficult as spotting a single snowflake in a blizzard. So normally during daytime, because of the sunlight, I think it's very difficult, because to reach stars will be shining in the morning and night as well, but we could able to see only during night, where sunlight disappears after the sun's 6 o'clock or 6:30. So I think then we could able to see the stars. So this is known, but I think we need to be very specific to what we are speaking is correct or not, and then we have better answers. I think that is going to help the students. And then pickles contain here we said why pickles, and then sambar, when compare, pickles will not spoil, and then sambar will spoil within 1 or 2 days or 3 days. So during summer, I think we witness immediately morning we prepare sambar, and evening I think it is very difficult to eat also. The main reason pickles contain high concentration of salts and a lot of oil, and number of it has very low water content, and then therefore these conditions does not allow growth of microorganism. But in sambar situation is reverse, especially water content is large, which is favorable for growth of microorganisms. So that is the reason I think we witness this. And infections are caused by microscopic organisms known as pathogens, bacteria, viruses, fungi, or parasites that enter the body, multiply, and they interfere with normal functions. Infections, I think now we know the COVID, how it has been pandemic, it's spreading. So what precaution has to be taken, that I will go in details. And prevention is better than cure. Next slide. So we need to wash our hands very frequently with soap or sanitation, and we need to be away from the people, those who are not well, at least by 6 feet distance, and by wearing masks whenever we go out. So we have to prevent ourselves by spreading of the disease, infectious diseases. So it is not advisable. We have to be very hygienic, and then we have to follow. And then farmers are afraid of unseasonal rains and uncontrolled pests, because both factors are not good for crops. Unseasonal rains are not good when crop is about to harvest, as farmers are not able to cut wet crops, and uncontrolled pests also destroys crops. So I think unseasonal seasons definitely destroy the crops. And then so these are the answer I think we have given. And then I said COVID is spreading, and then it is being the relevant, I thought it is, we can have one more additional slide. Prevention is better than cure. We need to wash our hands very frequently with soap or sanitizers, And we need to be away from people, those who are not well, at least by 6 feet distance, and by wearing masks whenever we go. It does not mean that if they are not well also, if they are well also, we need to maintain 6 feet distance. So prevention so always helps. Wash regularly, avoid meeting people, going outside, and then wear masks, reduce going out. If it is necessary, then only we need to go out. I think these are the precautions everyone has to follow. I think health is wealth, you know very well. So we have to safeguard our health. The word science comes from the Latin word scientia, means knowledge. Science refers to a system of acquiring knowledge. Science, acquiring more knowledge. The word science often described only systematic field of study or the knowledge gained from it. The term science also refers to the organized body of knowledge people have gained using observation on experimentation. So these are the definitions, few definitions. So I think we need to be perfect with that. And then why science? Individual perspective. People conduct experiment and they will be collecting information or test new ideas or to disapprove old ones. And then scientists become famous for discovering new things that change how we think about the nature. Whether the discovery is a new species or species of dinosaur or a new way in which autumn. So these are the things, maybe new inventions or discoveries or further experimentation. Many scientists find their greatest joy in previous unknown facts of a discovery. Many scientists basically they will be happy, greatest joy in a previously unknown fact of discovery. Unknown facts, if they discover, they feel very happy about their the societal perspective, desire to improve the life of the people with their new inventions. So this is societal perspective. Example, geneticists. It is basically a genetical scientist. So this word is trying to understand how certain characters are passed from one generation to generation. So genetics is playing a major role, and then we know I think biologist, and then these are all from biology, and then microbiology is also there, and then we have many sciences. Micro means the dealing with the microorganism. Biologists tracing the pathway by which diseases are transmitted or clearly seeing the information to improve the lives of the ordinary people. Earth scientists are developing better models for the prediction of weather or the prediction of earthquakes. So these are the few things I think we need to understand. So many branches are there, but we have given for the reference sake only one or two. And then finally we have top 10 scientists over here. I think right from Albert Einstein, Sir Isaac Newton, Galileo, Madame Curie, Aristotle, Tesla, Charles Darwin, Thomas Edison, and then Michael Faraday, Louis Pasteur. I think with this, I think the part 1, chapter 1 of 8th class is completed, and then we will be, in next video, we will be coming with the additional information, part 2. So thank you very much. Thank you.